Lisa with a ponytail. She's a walking, talking, a work of art. She's the girl who stole my heart. My Venus in blue jeans is the Cinderella I adore. She's my very special angel too, a fairy tale come true. They say there's 7 wonders in the world, but what they say is out of date. There's more than 7 wonders in this world. I just met number 8. My Venus in blue jeans is everything I hoped she'd be. A teenage goddess.